Come and look at this old faded photograph, and honey, tell me what it brings to mind. It's a picture of that 57 Chevrolet, and I wish that we could ride it one more time.